These are DS and 3DS games that I got. My DS Lite, and 3DS. The first 3DS game that I got is Nintendo Toy Poodle version. Second one, and Rayman 3D. I don't like this game much, so if you guys want to buy it, give me your email so we can discuss what to do, the price and how to send it and stuff. I live in Thailand, so I'm not sure what to do. If you're from American, European. My first DS Lion is the first game that I get in year 2006 is Nintendo. Second game that I got for Nintendo, Love and Friend. Dachshund and Friend is the last one. It's my favorite one, Dachshund. Game, Professor Layton. The best puzzle game that I ever played. So I bought a second one. Gardening Mama. I love this game. Cooking Mama Shop. I also got a Dining and Friend, but I lost the game case. And I have no idea where the game is. Harvest Moon. One of my is the most play and one of my favorite. DS Cute. So I bought this one. Haven't played it yet. No time. Harvest Moon Sunshine. Still haven't played too. Seal. Pokemon Pro I bought in New Zealand. Love it. American Diamond version. Best game. Platinum. First copy. Finish it. Shining with Pokerada at the moment. Love it. Second, so I bought a second copy just to begin a game, to soft reset for starter and to get shiny. So silver version, Japanese hard gold, and last Pokemon Mystery Dungeon Explorer of Sky. That's all my collection at the moment. Bye!